everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I know I have been away on YouTube for a while due to recovering from a fractured ankle from my last hike, and it's since April 19th. And right now I'm just recovering, and since I'm recovering, I have so much time in my hands. I thought I am going to work on my car, and a shout out to my friends Joe and Marty for letting me use their hoist for me to lift up my car. So today we will be working on my undercarriage of the car. So basically right now we lifted the car up, right? And then the car have some rust, okay? It's not actually that bad because I do an undercoat every like 2 years, so it's time for one right now. And yeah, basically when you take your car off-roading to like, you know, off-roading and then driving in the snow, like all the, you know, the salt and, you know, debris and everything, like, you know, it causes rust, right? And I've done an undercoat 2 years ago, and right now it's not that bad, so but the rust will come back every time when you go off-roading, like when you go in the puddle of water, muddy water, the mud and everything. And then after you finish off-roading, you need to clean it, right? As in like hosing it down so, you know, the debris doesn't cake on and start like, you know, oxidizing all your metal frame and stuff and turn into rust. So we will be correcting it today using Corroseal, okay? I have a gallon here, which I had like from like 2 years ago, and they come in a liter size and gallon size, right? The liter size I think it's about $50, and then the gallon size is about $100, right? So it's kind of like worth it. I mean, if you pay someone to do it, like, you know, the labor and everything is about $300 to $500. But anyways, I'm about to get started, but I will show you. So when you put the Corroseal on, it basically converts the rust to black paint. And then some people were saying that, oh, why don't you, after convert it, why don't you paint it over, right? I don't want to do that because eventually the rust still comes back. I rather, you know, just top it up, like touch paint it every 2 years, just to protect it from the rust, you know, like slowly eating the metal, right? Everyone knows that I baby my car when I go out off-roading and hiking, like take really good care of it, like even have a skid plate on the fuel tank, and there's a factory skid plate in the front. You know, you don't want to hit those, right? Just for like protection and everything, right? You don't want stuff like muffler falling out or any like, you know, metal stuff eat away the frame, right? Because, you know, I plan to keep this car for a very long time. Anyways, I will start working. Anyways, I'll show you guys in a bit, okay? Maybe I should put on a mask. You know, maybe. I don't really want to smell the chemical stuff, right? So, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna work this axle area first, and then gradually work my way to the back. So, put on the N95 mask. I can move this if I want. Ugh. I look hilarious, but it's okay. It's work, right? All right. So I'll just start. This stuff is pretty liquidy, so I'm just, whoop. Just brush it on, paint it on. I mean, it does run. And it does turn black. So it converts the rust into black paint. You could also This stops from like the rust, you know, to protect it from like going as bad. So usually I like to do this almost every 2 years. Amy? Yeah? Okay, no problem. Have a break. It does take some time to dry, but let's work on this first. It's like art. Rock and roll. Hi everyone. This is Amy here checking in. How's it going? So now I'm giving you an update on how I did on my undercoat. So it took about 5 hours to put on the Corroseal, and I think I did a pretty good job. But let's give you a showcase of it. Okay. So this is a part of the skid plate. There was a little bit of rust, but I think overall it's not bad. Like, just convert some of the stuff, you know, since I have all the time in the world, right? And then the bars, the body frame bar, right? There's my skid plate. So that's the Corroseal, right? There's the axle. Here's a better angle of it. All right, so I think that's it. I'm pretty happy with this DIY job, and let's hope I'll just do this in another 2 years. Anyways, all right, peace out.